In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for inventory management. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking for a way to streamline your inventory processes, this step-by-step guide is designed to walk you through the setup in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by navigating to Monday.com. You can do this simply by opening your favorite web browser and typing in the URL. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. The next step involves logging into your account. You'll be presented with a couple of login options. I recommend using the Google sign-in method because it's fast and secure. So click Google and you'll see a list of your Google accounts. Choose the one you wish to use with Monday.com. After logging in, take a look at the left panel. You'll see a plus icon there. This icon is your starting point for creating new boards, and we'll use it to set up our inventory management system. Click on this plus icon to proceed. In the sidebar, you'll find various options, but what we're looking for is the Template Center. Click on Template Center to explore a variety of ready-to-use templates. Once you're in the Template Center, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click there and type in the word inventory. This will pull up all related templates that you can use. The template we are interested in is the inventory management template. When you see it in the results, go ahead and click on it. This is designed to make the process quick and efficient, allowing you to focus on managing and organizing your tools rather than worrying about the setup. Finally, when the inventory management template page opens, you'll see a Use Template button. Click on this button to add the template to your workspace. At this point, all the fields and structures you need for managing your inventory will be preloaded, and from there, you can customize as necessary to fit your particular needs. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up inventory management in Monday.com. Remember, the true power of Monday.com lies in its flexibility, so feel free to modify the board to suit your specific requirements. Whether you're tracking stock levels, managing supplier information, or overseeing product details, Monday.com can accommodate all your inventory management needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tool as helpful as I do. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.